So another great thing, I'll just show you how to stream audio in this 2016 Transit. If we go to iPhone, if we go to iTunes, we'll just select that record. At the bottom there you'll see sync. There's a triangle. It used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles. Now it's a silver triangle with 3 red circles. But if you just click on it, you'll see there you've got the choice of iPhone or sync. Sync is selected. I'll turn this down, go back to the tune, and then we select auxiliary. Now you may have to press it a couple of times because you've also got auxiliary in and USB in. So for instance, if it's on USB, there you go, play music from device, that's auxiliary in. So if it comes up on that, we'd have to click it again, connect to USB, click it again, and then it's come up on Bluetooth, which is mine. So if I turn this up here, and then every time I'm wrong, yeah, I keep hopeful. So there you go. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. It's just for information purposes, and I'm not playing music. So that's it. That's how you stream audio. It's a great system in here.